Welcome to ESP32 learning series. So before we dive further into it, let's see some key feature of ESP32. Okay, so you can visit this URL also. This is my official blog, and you see some key features of ESP32 dev module. You will see wiring connection and how to set up if you are doing it for the first time. Every single detail is given on this blog. Okay, so you will see everything like the way I'm gonna do in video. You can follow along and also read, visit this blog and read about it. So let's open Arduino IDE, and then you need to set up the software first, the IDE first, because you are using Arduino IDE to code, right, and upload code in ESP32. So click on File, click on Preferences, and then on right side, bottom right, you see here, click on this, and you need to put the URL. So you can visit this blog, copy the URL, put it here, and click on OK. Click OK again. So this is done. Second thing is, now you need to install ESP32. So this is where, if you're building a simple project or any project on your board for the first time, then this is required. Just first time, one time activity, I would say, in short. So just search ESP32. I don't have to install because I have already installed it. So it is asking me to remove. I will not do anything. So in case on your machine, if it is not installed, go ahead and install it. Now it's time to set up the hardware. So I have taken a breadboard. So, in this tutorial, basically I'll be building very small project like to blink the LED. Okay. Because this is just an initial video uh, of the series. So in the blog, you might have seen like to use 220 ohm uh, resistor. I do not have that one, so I'm using 330 ohm resistor. That will also work. Okay, so the shorter leg cathode will go to ground. So from ground, it will go to shorter leg of LED. And the longer leg of LED has to go to D2. Details to connect the wire is also given on the screen. So this is it. This is very simple connection. Now I'll be using this cable. Basically is taken from mobile charger. So before you upload the code, you need to select the right board, right? So depending on product, it changes. So there are different boards. To find that, click on tools and then click on board, and then you have to find your board type. So if you see here on the bottom right, the compilation is in progress. It is taking time, but that's okay. So as soon as it is compiled and been, you will see the, the code is getting uploaded, and yeah, it has uploaded. So the moment you see leaving hard resetting via RTS pin, that means the code has been uploaded to ESP32 module successfully. The dev board has been uploaded. Now it's time to test. Okay. So see here, it is blinking and there's a delay of 1 second. So there is an LED, inbuilt LED on ESP32 module, as well as the one I have used, which is attached to breadboard. Both are blinking. So one more thing, if you are thinking that can you use buzzer, yes, you can use buzzer. Same code will work for buzzer as well, right? Let's go ahead and try that.